Okay, can you guys hear me now? Don't be using the chat if you can hear me now, guys. I was speaking to nobody the last how many minutes? Okay, can you guys hear me? Because I can hear me now. Let's go. Let's go. US 30, that's what we're looking on the screen right now. Look at this price action, guys. The price action on US 30 right now is immaculate. I even have to go full screen mode on this. So right now we're looking at US 30 on the 1 minute time frame. The second New York Stock Exchange opened, guys, yeah? Immediately downtrend. Created a lower low. Retest. Lower low again. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. Lower low. Lower high. I mean, if you were trading US 30 today, you'd have definitely without a doubt won a couple of trades by 4 p.m. Within the first 2 hours, you would have definitely found something. Because what price is doing now, it's kind of moving sideways. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour time frame and try break US 30 down and understand why the hell did you decide to sell. And as you can see now, it's buying. I'm going to go to a cleaner chart where there's nothing on top. This is US 30 on the 1 hour time frame, guys. I mean, it is actually not rocket science what's happening. But for those that do not know what's happening with US 30 right now, this is a definition of an uptrend. An uptrend is basically when price is making continuous higher highs and higher lows in the upward direction. So whenever you are in an uptrend, guys, it's very simple. You want to be looking for entries at the higher lows. Let me show you an example right now. So this is the higher high. So this is the higher low. This is the higher high. When price breaks structure, you wait for it to come back to create a new higher low. And this is the exact point where you look for an entry. Again, price made a new higher high. It came back to make a higher low. This is where you'll make an entry. Price made a new higher high, and then it came back to make a higher low. This is where you'll get your buy entries. And once more, price made a higher high, and now it's come back to make a higher low. And here is where you'll get your entries for more buys to the upside. This is what you call an uptrend. Okay, that is a pure definition of what an uptrend is inside of the markets. And right about now, as you can see, we are at the higher low, so we can expect price to continue to buy on the 1 hour time frame, at least until it gets to this level over here. So what we want to do then is scale into the lower time frames and look for break of structure and retest. It's as simple as that. Once we see a nice break of structure and retest on the lower time frame, again using the exact same strategy, higher high, higher low, then we look for buys towards the upside. There's nothing too clean on the 30-minute, but I can guarantee you here on the 15-minute there is definitely something lingering. So on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, we are making inner structure higher highs and inner structure higher lows. So what we're going to look for is a position very, very similar to this. Stop loss is just slightly below here for a nice 1:2. Boom. Let's just make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see exactly what I'm seeing. Look what happened yesterday. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high. And it looks like price is kind of repeating itself. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I really like the look of this what I'm seeing right now. So I'm actually going to send this into the 5P community for the members to also make money from this. That's how I'm feeling right now. Let's quickly go into the 5. Just make sure our stop loss is below this wick here. Okay, perfect. Back to the 15-minute time frame. And this is our setup. A beautiful 1:2. Absolutely amazing. Okay, by the way, I passed the challenge. Let's go. Yes, it's normal for your account to read demo. It's normal for your account to read demo. Don't worry and don't stress. It's perfectly fine. If you guys got any questions relating to FundingRock, ask right now in the comment section. If you got any questions that relate to FundingRock, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Tony Gold, you need to edit your comment to congratulations, Queen. You need to edit your comment to say congratulations, Queen. Yes, drawdowns are possible. Everybody gets drawdowns. Like, drawdowns don't discriminate. The same way bullets and guns don't discriminate, drawdowns do not discriminate. By the way, I'm the lady from last week told you. Yes, I remember you in my comment section. You told me you actually passed the account. I wished you all the best. So now all you have to do is just trade responsibly once you're funded. It's a very simple game plan. Just trade very responsible. Once you get funded, just take it nice and slow. So let's head over to Forex Factory and see what we have in store this week. We don't have much in store this week, guys. Tomorrow we just have FOMC. And then on Thursday, I'm not sure if you guys can see the screen properly, but on Thursday, I'm going to zoom in for you guys. On Thursday, we have unemployment claims. We have unemployment claims on Thursday. The best day of the week is Thursdays. Thursdays is the best day of the week, in my opinion. I love Thursdays. I also purchased FundingRock because of your YouTube. Thank you so much. You are a blessing. Thank you so much. I actually appreciate that. Really and truly speaking, I actually really appreciate that. If you guys have Instagram, make sure you follow me on 5p trading _ I'm posting more updates with trades that can help you guys out, especially when it comes to gold. I know you guys love gold, especially you, Tony. I know you love gold. Tony Gold. So yeah, make sure you check that out. My Instagram is 5p trading _ also on link in bio. Okay. Let's go back and take a look at the main event, XAUUSD. This is what all you guys came to see, right? XAUUSD. So I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give you XAUUSD. As for US30, as you can see right now, it's just chilling. It's not doing too much, but we are bullish on this. I am so bullish on US30. It's not even right. I know US30 is gonna buy. I can feel it. US30 is buying. That buying power can't be stopped. It can't be tamed. It cannot be tamed. So make sure you got that on lock. US30 buys. Boom. Yeah, that's even a bit too tight. US30 buys. USTP2. Boom. You see, I have these set already, so it knows what type of position I'm looking for. I'm looking for 1:2, or my second one is boom for 1:4. I'm always ready, and so should you. You guys should always be on job, always be on point. I knew you trade gold. Everybody loves gold. So speaking of gold, let me show you what's happening with gold right now, guys. Okay, XAUUSD, talk to me. We're gonna go to the higher time frame right now. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we have an inverse head and shoulders on our hands. We have an inverse head and shoulders on our hands right now. Please tell me you guys can see that inverse head and shoulders and it's not just me. I see this thing clear as day. I see the inverse head and shoulders clear as day. That inverse head and shoulder can't even be denied. Even a blind man can see it. If a blind man can see it and you can't, I don't know what to tell you. It's literally in your face. That inverse head and shoulder is in your face right now. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? So this is gold on the on a grand scheme. On a grand scheme, this is gold. So we had an opening gap that got filled in over here, right? So what I'm thinking right now is we have an imbalance all the way up here. If gold says fuck it, we're buying, excuse my language, but if gold decides to buy, this is where it's going. I can tell you that for free. That is exactly where gold is going. If it buys. I can't guarantee it will, but if it does, expect it to go there. So right now, as you can see, we have literally just mitigated this zone over here. That zone has now been mitigated. So we're gonna put the dollar sign. So let's jump into the 1H. As you can see on the 1H, there's no more imbalances, which means one thing. Gold is ready to pop off. Gold is ready to pop off. This is what you would consider a swing trade. Take profit. These high levels up here. All the way to the previous day high. That's where we're going. All the way up here. Forward nice one is 2-4, and that's just on the 1 hour time frame. I can tell you if we jump into the 15, all we need is a rejection, and then all we need on the 15-minute time frame is a break of structure. Once we get a beautiful break, we come back for a retest, and we are sailing to our take flipping profit. That is exactly where we're going to. That is exactly where we are going to. Beautiful stuff. I know we can still hold that entry. I agree with you, Tony. We can still hold that entry. Literally, that entry can still be held for almost a week now. Let's see if US30 is cooking. US30 is cooking, guys. I told you US30 is cooking. It's cooking. It is cooking. Something's cooking in the kitchen, and it's US30, and she ain't bitchy. I got on a drawdown because I was in for a buy. It's okay. It's absolutely fine if you're in drawdown. Trust me, it happens. Drawdown is inevitable. It's actually inevitable to get into drawdown, so don't you worry about that at all. Don't you worry about that at all. I realized I am more relaxed when trading with the lot size of 0.03. See, it's not about the lot size, it's about the risk. You cannot risk 0.3 on every trade. It doesn't work like that. You can only risk the same amount. So you need to make sure you're calculating your lot size. Don't just enter a 0.03 lot on every trade with different stop losses. No. It's not going to work. Trust me, it ain't going to work. It's not gonna work. Take that advice from me or learn the hard way. It's up to you. Always calculate your lot size per trade. As you can see, we have a trade setup here on this US30. I cannot risk 0.1 lot just to be fast. No. That's a recipe for disaster. You need to make sure your lot size matches. If it doesn't match, then that's how you end up worrying about the drawdown, and you're gonna lose more than expected, you know. Trust me, you don't want to do that. I think tomorrow we should all trade FOMC together. What do you guys think? I think it's a plan. It's all systems go. I'm down. If you guys are down, I'm down. Let's all trade FOMC. Let's see how it treats the markets and how the markets reacts. Trading FOMC. 0.01 can be stretched. It can be stretched. I'm not saying you're wrong by trading 0.1, but yes, just calculate the lot is all I'm saying. It works out way better than just guessing. Okay, so tomorrow, FOMC, I will catch you guys here. Yes, FOMC, I'll catch you guys here. I might even trade New York session as well, so make sure you turn on your post notifications for Denzel Effects and FundingRock on YouTube, guys. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. And at the same time, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I'm sharing a whole lot of content that you guys do not want to be missing out. Something big is coming. Something very, very, very big is coming in your guys' direction, and I want you guys to catch it with me. Ooh, look at US30. I wonder, is US30 going to catch that stop loss, or is it going to respect? I was going to hop off the stream, but nah. Now we have to wait and see. Is US30 going to respect this? That's why I put my stop loss below this low, or else I would have been taken out. So let us see if this actually gets respected. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Exactly what I wanted to see right now. Let's go. Boom, tagged in. Now all we can expect is US30 to take it to the upside. From this point, we can expect those buys. See, we're getting that beautiful rejection. That's exactly what we want to see right now. Rejection. Super blessed. What's going on, brother? You came at the wrong time because the stream is over now. But I will be streaming tomorrow though. I will be streaming tomorrow. So guys, as per usual, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys coming on these streams, chatting away, and us dissecting the charts together. We're going to do the exact same thing tomorrow. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm Denzel, and let there be peace in the Middle East. And let my brothers and sisters all around the world literally be safe. All right. Take care, guys. Thank you guys for coming, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.